Hello future affiliate marketers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a game-changing topic for anyone looking to boost their affiliate marketing game, that is AI-based affiliate marketing. If you are curious about how artificial intelligence can take your affiliate endeavors to new heights, stay tuned as we demystify AI-based affiliate marketing in an easy language. The essence of affiliate marketing. Let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing? It's like being a digital matchmaker. You promote other people's products, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Now, imagine supercharging this process with the magic of AI. AI for targeted audience insights. Step 1. Leverage AI for targeted audience insights. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of data to understand your audience better. It's like having a digital detective that uncovers the preferences, behaviors, and needs of your potential customers. Personalized content recommendations. Now let's talk about personalization. Step number 2. Use AI for personalized content recommendations. With this, you can tailor your promotions to match the individual preferences of your audience. It's like having a personal shopper that curates products based on what each customer is likely to love. Predictive analytics for trend spotting. Step 3. Embrace predictive analytics for trend spotting. AI can forecast upcoming trends and help you stay ahead of the curve. It's like having a crystal ball that guides you towards the products and niche that are about to skyrocket in popularity. Chatbot for instant engagement. Engage instantly. Step number 4. Use AI-powered chatbot for instant engagement. These digital assistants can interact with your audience, answer questions, and provide information. It's like having a 24/7 sales representative that never takes a coffee break. Automate and optimize campaigns. Efficiency is key. Step number 5. Automate and optimize your campaigns with AI. Let artificial intelligence handle the nitty-gritty tasks like tracking clicks, analyzing data, and optimizing and placements. It's like having a smart campaign manager that ensures your efforts yield the best results. And there you have it, your guide to AI-based affiliate marketing. Whether you are diving into audience insights, delivering personalized recommendations, predicting trends, engaging instantly with chatbots, or automating campaigns, AI is here to elevate your affiliate marketing game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of affiliate marketing and technology. Thanks for joining us on this AI-powered affiliate journey. And may your commission soar to new heights with the magic of artificial intelligence. We will catch you in the next one. Thank you.